Hello and welcome to today's video presentation on using the Network Manager CLI on Oracle Linux 8. This video aims to provide information about using Network Manager and the nmcli utility to add a second network interface to Oracle Linux 8 on Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. So let us get started. In this exercise, the host system is a fully patched Oracle Linux 8 instance on Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. This instance also has a secondary VNIC added for use in this demonstration. Additional information on virtual cloud networks and attaching VNICs to an instance is outside this video scope, but available in our Oracle Cloud content located at oracle.com/go/Linux Cloud Learning. Start by opening a terminal and connect to your host system. As part of a minimal installation, an Oracle Linux 8 system should have Network Manager installed, started, and enabled. Verify that the Network Manager daemon is running by typing sudo systemctl status Network Manager. The service output shows the daemon status as loaded and active. In Oracle Linux 8, Network Manager replaces the older style network scripts and is now the default systemd networking service. It dynamically configures and controls network devices and keeps connections up and active when they are available. Another way to observe that the network services are running is to use the Network Manager command line interface or CLI. Type the command nmcli general status. The output shows the network state as connected, which is an indicator that the services are running. Next, get a list of the currently active connections by typing nmcli connection show. A connection is a device's configuration profile created and managed through Network Manager. The output shows a single Ethernet connection named ENS3. Now get a list of devices by typing nmcli device status. This command displays three devices, the active and connected primary NIC ENS3, the disconnected secondary NIC ENS5, and the unmanaged local loopback adapter. Per Network Manager's design, a single device can have multiple connections or profiles to allow for different network configurations such as DHCP or static IP address assignments. For the remainder of this demo, we will use the secondary NIC ENS5 to avoid disrupting our active network connection. Before creating a new connection profile for the ENS5 device with nmcli, we need to get the IP address dynamically assigned to its VNIC. Open the Oracle Cloud Console and navigate to the Instance Details page. Scroll to the bottom and click Attach VNICs under Resources on the left panel. For this example, the secondary VNIC named VNIC-10 is the object associated with the Oracle Linux 8 ENS5 network device. Click the VNIC and the page will refresh to the VNIC Details page. The information needed is the private IP address set to 10.0.32.6 by the Virtual Cloud Network VCN and configured within the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. Return to the terminal connected to the Oracle Linux 8 instance. Now use the IP address to create the configuration profile for ENS5 by typing sudo nmcli connection add type ethernet con-name ENS5 if name ENS5 IP4 10.0.32.6/24. The configuration defines a static IP address assignment and presents the IP4 address in CIDR notation. To make changes persist a reboot, Network Manager writes those values in a /etc/sysconfig/network-scripts /ifcfg-interfaces file. View the contents of the ENS5 configuration file by typing cat /sysconfig/network-scripts /ifcfg-ens5. Further details on how the VCN assigns IP addresses is outside the scope of this video, but is available in the Oracle Cloud documentation. With the profile created, run nmcli con show to display the updated list of connections. The command shows the new connection profile created for ENS5. This command also reveals the ability to use abbreviations for the nmcli commands. Abbreviations reduce the amount of typing for system administrators experienced with nmcli and extends to some of the nmcli command parameters. For more nmcli examples, see the nmcli-examples man page. Next, bring the ENS5 device online by typing sudo space nmcli space con space up space ENS5. Verify the connection started by typing nmcli space d space status, where the D is the abbreviation for the device command. The ENS5 device shows as connected. Further verify the network is active by pinging the network's default gateway by typing ping space -c space 3 space -I space ENS5 space 10.0.32.2. The -c sends out only 3 packets, and the -I parameter ensures the packets go out the ENS5 interface. The pings are successful, and the secondary NIC is working. Learn more about using the Network Manager by reviewing the nmcli manual pages or typing nmcli space -- help. Thank you for watching this video and enjoy using Oracle Linux 8. Please check our additional information on Oracle Linux 8 in the Oracle Linux 8 documentation or Oracle Linux Learning Library.